How are we all doing here? As you can see here, we are looking at the SLA051. Now this one is an SLA movement, even though we kind of got the plain white clamshell box. It's not like the 49 that's got the special black box with the extra band. This one has no extra band and is not a limited edition, but it is a pretty great looking watch. Can't wait to take a look at it here. And let's open this guy up. Boom, there you go. Now with this guy here, I really like the black and the gray look of this one. Just looks fantastic. Here, let's see if we get a better angle there of that. Yeah. So the blue one, if you don't like anything bright, you've got this one here, and this is kind of like, you know, the old standard when it comes to a dive watch, you know, black dial. But this one here, if we can get a closer look at it, pretty nice looking dial. Now this one is an SLA, so when it's an SLA, that means it's a little more special. This one is an 8L35 movement, and that's basically like an introductory Grand Seiko movement there. This power reserve on this movement is 50 hours, and it's 28,000 vibrations per hour, and it is a 26 jouled movement. And this is a Seiko Prospex. It is ISO tested, of course, and you can see it's got all the markers there. That's some of the new standard guidelines for the ISO of the watches. So this watch does have that. This is, again, the SLA051, and fantastic looking watch. There you got the band and everything. So here's the case back. This one isn't the limited edition. This one is the standard production. This one is 2,900, and the limited edition, which is the blue one we took a look at a few weeks ago, that one is 3,100. It's just a sharp looking watch. It feels great. All right, here's the watch on my wrist. As you can see, great size here. This one, like the other SLA, it's really hard to choose, you know. If you can get the limited edition, I'd get the limited edition because it comes with that extra strap, and it is a limited edition, so you won't be able to get it for too much longer. This one is the standard production, but I almost like that black color. You know, it's a great watch. It feels more heritage inspired because of the coloring here on this one. It's a 44 millimeter. My wrist is about a 7.5 inch wrist. And of course, you know, it's got the basics with it. You know, it's a 200 meter diver, of course, like I said, ISO tested, mechanical watch, and it is a, it's got the sapphire crystal, especially at this price point. You know, they kind of put in all the bells and whistles a little bit. And it's got the anti reflective glare coating on it as well. These watches came out on what would have been Naomi Umura's 80th birthday. Now, this guy was an amazing guy. He conquered the highest peaks on 5 different continents. You know, just an amazing guy. We associate this watch with the Willard, but he was a real life adventurer that went ahead and did all these amazing things. And he wore the original version of what this watch is inspired by. So really cool and just a great looking watch overall. It's got more of a satin finish on the black dial there. It's not a glossy one, so it makes it real easy to read. And just overall, one of my favorite watches that came out last year, this one and the blue limited edition. If you're not too much into color, getting this one here, you know, with the black and the matte black, you know, is great. So there you go. And let's go take a look at this guy in the dark. And here we go in the dark. As you can see, fantastic lume on this guy. Oh, well, pretty much as any Seiko dive watch, you know, they'll have really great lume with them. And yep, you can see every little marker there, the second hand going around. Just a great overall watch. Again, Seiko keeps hitting it out of the park with these. It's hard to choose which one you want to get, definitely. I'd like to take this time to thank everybody for watching the video, and please like and subscribe if you're interested in getting any of these types of watches. Please just send us an email. We're depalas.com, and we can help you out with any of these guys. All right, thank you. Bye.